I'm gonna be showing you my way how to break the tire bead. We will need this jack and this tool. I already made it. It took me around 10 minutes. It won't cost much. It cost me about $6. I'm gonna be showing you how to build it at the end. Set the tire on it like this. Then the jack. Then the rod. Always make sure the jack straight on the rod and the bracket flat on the tire and close to the rim. And this side touching the rim. Don't set it far. If you set it far and when you start raising the jack up, will go sideways. So always make sure this side touching the rim. While you're raising the jack up, always try to push this side into the rim. Like you see, it's come out easily. I will move to the other side. Always make sure this side touching the rim. Same way. The tire is now off. Important note. Some tires doesn't come out from first try. If you reach at this step and the tire doesn't come out, leave the jack at this position, apply soapy water around the rim, especially at this point. Leave the tire 5 to 10 minutes. When you come back, don't start from here, move to the left or to the right. Repeat the process. Some tires are very old or stay a long time on the rim. So you need to repeat the process more than one time. Every time try to apply soapy water and then the tire will come out. Another things, if you have a socket can fit on this part, you can use the drill. Then this process will be easier and faster.